Rivers of life, Africa's blue arteries. Africa, a continent of vast plains and towering mountains, is also a land shaped by its majestic rivers. These rivers are more than just waterways. They are arteries of life. They bring water to drink, fish to eat, and fertile soil to grow crops. For centuries, people have lived along these rivers, depending on them for survival. They fish in the rivers, travel on them, and trade along their banks. These rivers have witnessed history unfold. In this journey, we explore some of Africa's most impressive rivers. We will learn about their journeys, their power, and their importance to the people and wildlife that depend on them. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty of these natural wonders. From the longest to the mightiest, each river has a story to tell. Come, let's discover the magic of Africa's rivers. The Nile River, the longest river in the world, flows for over 6,650 kilometers. It journeys through 11 countries from the heart of Africa to the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile has two main sources, the White Nile, which starts in Lake Victoria, and the Blue Nile, which originates in the Ethiopian highlands. These two branches meet in Sudan, the city of Khartoum, to form the mighty Nile. The Nile then flows north through Egypt, creating a fertile valley in the midst of the desert.
The ancient Egyptians depended on the Nile for their survival. They called it Ar or Hapi, meaning father or creator. The annual floods of the Nile brought rich silt to the land, allowing for agriculture to thrive. This gave rise to one of the world's first civilizations. The Nile is home to a variety of wildlife, including crocodiles, hippos, and over 300 species of birds. Today, the river continues to be a lifeline for millions of people, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation.
Flowing through the heart of Africa, the Congo River is the second longest river in Africa after the Nile. It winds its way through dense rainforests, vast savannas, and bustling cities, serving as a lifeline for millions of people. It is also the deepest river in the world, with depths reaching over 220 meters in some places. This incredible depth makes it a unique and mysterious body of water, hiding many secrets beneath its surface. The Congo River basin covers a massive area larger than the entire Indian subcontinent. This vast basin is a crucial ecological zone supporting a wide range of habitats and species.
The Congo River is a powerful force of nature. Its mighty currents and rapids are both awe-inspiring and dangerous, shaping the landscape and influencing the climate of the region. It carries more water than any other river in the world except for the Amazon. The sheer volume of water flowing through the Congo River is staggering, making it a critical waterway for transportation and commerce. The river's flow is so strong that it is responsible for creating the Congo Canyon, a deep underwater canyon that extends for hundreds of kilometers. This canyon is a testament to the river's immense power and geological significance.
The Congo River is home to a remarkable diversity of life. Its waters and surrounding areas are teeming with wildlife, making it one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. More than 1,000 species of fish live in its waters, including the Goliath tigerfish, a fearsome predator with razor-sharp teeth. This diversity of fish species is crucial for the local fishing industry and the diet of the people living nearby. The Congo rainforest, which surrounds the river, is home to gorillas, chimpanzees, forest elephants, and okapi, a strange mammal that looks like a cross between a giraffe and a zebra. This lush rainforest is a vital part of the global ecosystem, acting as a significant carbon sink and helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The Congo River plays a vital role in the lives of the people who live along its banks. It provides them with food, water, and transportation. The river is a central part of their daily lives, supporting agriculture, fishing, and trade. The river is also an important source of hydroelectric power. The energy generated from its powerful flow helps to power homes and industries, contributing to the economic development of the region.
Section 4. The Niger, a lifeline through the west. The Niger River, the third longest river in Africa, snakes its way across Western Africa for over 4,180 kilometers. This majestic river is not just a geographical feature. It is a lifeline that sustains millions of people and countless ecosystems along its course. It begins in the Guinea Highlands, not far from the Atlantic Ocean, but instead of flowing directly to the sea, the Niger takes a remarkable journey. The river's source is a small trickle in the highlands, which gradually gathers strength and volume as it travels through diverse terrains.
The river flows north into the Sahara Desert, creating a vast inland delta in Mali. This unique inland delta is a natural wonder, transforming the arid desert into a lush green oasis that supports a rich variety of life. This inland delta is a vital source of water for people and wildlife in the region. It provides essential hydration and fertile land for agriculture, making it a crucial area for local communities who depend on it for their daily needs. The Niger then turns southeast and flows through Niger and Nigeria before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean through a massive delta in Nigeria. This final stretch of the river is equally important as it supports dense populations and diverse ecosystems.
The Niger River is a vital transportation route for people and goods. Traders have used the river for centuries to transport goods such as salt gold and slaves. The river's historical significance as a trade route cannot be overstated, as it facilitated the exchange of cultures and commodities across vast distances. Today, the river is still used for transportation, and its banks are home to bustling cities and towns. Modern boats now navigate the same waters that ancient traders once did, continuing the legacy of commerce and connectivity.
The Niger River is also an important source of fish. People who live along the river rely on it for their livelihoods. Fishing is not just an economic activity, it is a way of life that has been passed down through generations. The river is home to a variety of fish species, including the Nile perch, a large fish that can grow up to 2 meters in length. This diverse aquatic life supports both local diets and economies, making the Niger River an indispensable resource for the region.
Section 5, Zambezi, the smoke that thunders. This iconic name is derived from the local Kololo tribe's description of the falls, Mosi Watunya, which translates to the smoke that thunders. The Zambezi, the fourth longest river in Africa, flows eastwards for over 2,574 kilometers. It is a lifeline for the regions it traverses, providing water, food, and transportation. Its journey begins in Zambia and ends in a vast delta in Mozambique, where it finally meets the Indian Ocean. This delta is a rich and fertile area, supporting a variety of ecosystems and human activities.
Along its course, the Zambezi carves dramatic gorges, creates vast floodplains, and supports a rich diversity of life. These landscapes are home to numerous species of plants and animals, making the river a vital ecological corridor. The Zambezi is perhaps most famous for Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. This majestic waterfall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors each year. At Victoria Falls, the Zambezi plunges over 100 meters, creating a thunderous roar and a plume of spray that can be seen from miles away. The falls are a spectacular sight, especially during the rainy season when the water flow is at its peak.
The Zambezi River is an important source of hydroelectric power. Its powerful flow is harnessed to generate electricity, which is crucial for the development and prosperity of the surrounding regions. The Kariba Dam, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, is one of the largest hydroelectric dams in the world. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to harness natural resources for the greater good. The dam provides electricity to millions of people in the region. This power is essential for homes, businesses, and industries, driving economic growth and improving the quality of life for many.
The Zambezi is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including crocodiles, hippos, elephants, and lions. These animals are an integral part of the river's ecosystem and attract wildlife enthusiasts from around the world. The river also supports a large fishing industry. Local communities rely on the Zambezi's abundant fish populations for their sustenance and economic activities. People who live along the Zambezi depend on it for their livelihoods. The river provides water for drinking, irrigation for crops, and a means of transportation, making it an indispensable resource for the communities it touches.
Section 6. Other African rivers flowing with stories. While the Nile, Congo, Niger, and Zambezi are the giants among Africa's rivers, many other rivers play crucial roles in shaping the continent's landscapes and diverse cultures.
The Orange River, the longest river in southern Africa, flows westward through South Africa and Namibia, forming the border between the two countries. It's known for its stunning desert landscapes and the Agrebis Falls, a series of cataracts that create a dramatic spectacle.
The Limpopo River, flowing through South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique, is mentioned in Rudyard Kipling's famous children's book, The Elephant's Child.
These rivers, along with numerous others across the continent, demonstrate that Africa's waters are as diverse and fascinating as its land and people. They are testaments to the power of nature and the enduring connection between humans and their environment.
Section 7. Rivers of Life, Rivers of Culture. Africa's rivers are more than just geographical features. They are lifelines that sustain ecosystems, wildlife, and human populations. They are arteries that carry not just water, but also history, culture, and tradition.
From the ancient Egyptians who worshiped the Nile as a god to the communities who depend on the Congo's bounty for their livelihoods, these rivers have shaped civilizations.
They have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of new nations, and the enduring spirit of the African people.
As we have journeyed through this continent, exploring its majestic rivers, we have been reminded of the power and beauty of the natural world.
We have also been reminded of our responsibility to protect these precious resources for generations to come.
For the rivers of Africa are not just waterways, they are the lifeblood of a continent.